This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Team and Paper. EO2. While the game does not offer a formal team mode, you can still collaborate with other players through unspoken coordination. This involves recognizing potential allies and working towards common goals. By understanding how to effectively communicate through actions, you can significantly enhance your chances of dominating the map as a cohesive unit. To expand effectively as an unofficial team, focus on growing your territory alongside your ally. Try to connect your captured areas, forming a larger, unified block of color. Be mindful not to trap or cut off your teammates' movement, ensuring both of you have ample space to expand. This strategy maximizes your combined land claim, making your presence much stronger. Team play involves both defense and offense. If an opponent is attacking your ally's exposed line, quickly move to cut off the attacker's path. Similarly, if a rival player is encroaching on your shared territory, coordinate to eliminate them. By acting as a united front, you can deter aggressors and secure your combined land, making it difficult for single players to challenge you. To achieve victory as an unofficial team, focus on maximizing your collective territory. Work together to eliminate the highest-scoring individual players, reducing their threat. Remember, the goal is to dominate the map with your combined colors. By consistently supporting each other and strategically expanding, you can achieve a powerful presence and secure a top position, even without a formal team mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.